Welcome back. We have already generated a photograph image. We are going to stick with the same subject in the same screen. And this time we are going to generate a painting. So we're going to click on painting. We're going to allow Perplexity then to generate a painting. And you will get a chance to see the model work in a different way. We will click on top of the image and we can now see our painting. We can now download this image to our hard drive. We're going to come back to the image generation. In this case, we're going to generate a diagram. So we're going to click on diagram. We're going to allow Perplexity to generate a diagram. And you can see Perplexity's version of a diagram. We're now going to download this image now to our hard drive. And finally, we can go to the Generate Image tab, and we can now generate an illustration. We're going to choose Illustration. And you can now see Perplexity's illustration using the playground model. So you can use any of the models to generate one of 4 kinds of images. And each different model is going to generate these 4 styles in a different way. Once you have the image, you can right-click and save the image to your hard drive. Since all of our images are now saved to this panel, we can convert this to a page. Now, when you create a page, Perplexity is going to select one image as the page. If you want to change that image, you can change it. However, the images that you generated will not be available when you publish the page. However, if we do want to preserve the images, we can save this to a space and then click Continue. And our content is now in our space area. We can go to our spaces. You can go to your space. If you click on top of the space, you'll be able to see your images. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.